I have been wanting to own a robotic vacuum system to help offload my house chores. A good robotic vacuum system will be able to clean my house automatically so that I can spend my time on some other productive activities. However, there are so many different robotic vacuum models in the market, which would be a good model. I have found this wonderful robotic vacuum system, the iRobot Roomba 870 vacuum cleaning robot for pets and allergies. This vacuum cleaning robot features AeroForce Performance Cleaning System that delivers maximum cleaning performance by combining the power of new AeroForce Extractors with airflow acceleration as well as a high-efficiency vacuum. It is also equipped with the new Tangle-Free AeroForce Extractors that are virtually maintenance-free. Its iAdapt responsive navigation technology enables Roomba to find its way around any shape or size of home, covering every area of floor multiple times for a complete clean. The iRobot XLife Battery also delivers twice as many cleaning cycles as previous Roomba batteries, doubling the time before you may need to replace your Roomba battery. The scheduling enables you to preset Roomba to clean when it is most convenient for you, up to 7 times a week. Isn't this a great robotic vacuum system? Check out iRobot Roomba 870 vacuum cleaning robot today by clicking on this button.